You guys, Garrett Brown, and today we're actually going to be doing a review on a cool Amazon Impact I finally got my hands on. So this Amazon Impact is similar to brands like CC. Now it's really cool because this is one of my favorite impact guns that I've been using lately. It's not just because I got my hands on it. Now this one's about 740 foot-pounds of torque, and it's pretty compact. I love how small and compact it is, and this is a 1/2-inch design. The thing I love about it most is that it's 21 volts, and it has 2 batteries. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and it comes with some sockets and extension. I don't care too much for them, but I'm really hyped about how thin the design is and how much it packs of a punch. It's really light in the hand, has a beautiful color, and it's just all around nice. So it's kind of more of my mid-tier impact. I have my heavy-duty impact, which is 1,200 foot-pounds over there. I have my mid-torque one, which is 740 foot-pounds, and then I got my stubby over here, which is 400 foot-pounds. So it's really cool to have all 3 of these in tandem, and I don't have to really settle between heavy and light. I have a nice in between because I'm really in love with how lightweight this impact is. Now, generally, you can find these for about $140, $150. But actually, the cool thing is Amazon has these for about $100 right now. So you should definitely pick one up because it comes with 2 batteries and a charger and, again, extension and some sockets. So pretty cool for $100 because you're getting 740 foot-pounds of torque. And like I said, it's pretty compact. It's not too fat like, the other one that I have here. This one's only 479 foot-pounds. And this one, again, 740 foot-pounds. And it's a lot thinner than my 1,200 foot-pound one. It's pretty crazy. But really cool, like this brand. Of course, I love the colors because this is my brand, Gearhead Brian. But it's a really beautiful color, really packs a punch, really nice. I've been testing out the batteries, and I really love it. I can't complain about the battery life because I haven't completely ever drained these down to 0 quickly at all. I really love how long the battery lasts, and honestly how it sounds, how quick it is. You have a bunch of different features going on right here. So you could add brake stops. So brake stops right when you release a lug nut, it loses, it stops it before it, comes off. But right now I'll actually show you me loosening a wheel lug. Classic example of how to do that. So we'll go ahead and loosen some wheel lugs. As you can see, it does it with a breeze. Really, really smooth, I'm not gonna lie. And then the cool thing is, if you want to tighten it, you could actually put it into a low setting. So if you do it slower, you could do a middle setting and then the fastest setting. So pretty cool. So we'll put it on the low setting and then tighten these back up. Now, overall, this is a really good impact because you're getting 2 21-volt batteries that last a very good amount of time. You're getting 740 foot-pounds of torque. You're getting a slimmer design, and this is not heavy. The big thing about impact guns, I hate when they're very hefty. It's okay when you're using it for, a purpose. Like this is 1,200 foot-pounds. It's okay for it to be heavy. But when I have something that's 700 foot-pounds, I don't want to be dragging with my hands. I just hate that extra weight. And I love that this is lighter weight than most, in its other class. This is 400 foot-pounds, and this one feels heavier than this 740 foot-pound one. Like, it's crazy. So honestly, love the weight, love the color, love how durable it is, loving the battery life, and I'm loving the speed on this. So again, for $100 to $140, this is an absolute steal. So I highly recommend you getting that. You don't have to get it for a do-it-yourselfer guy, for a mechanic, or someone just starting out. This is a really good impact. Of course, you see, I love the wall. Of course, you see, I love all these other things, but I do love this tool. I love the color, and I'm going to be using it actually daily, and I have been using it daily for the past month or so. So absolutely loving this. So highly recommend you guys going for this. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe. I also upload daily reels, so don't miss out on those. I hope it helped.